If you live in Wales and are in financial hardship because of the coronavirus, you might be able to apply for help from the Discretionary Assistance Fund. Applications to the DAF are being dealt with more flexibly during the coronavirus pandemic. The DAF provides two types of urgent grants that do not need to be paid back. The emergency assistance payments can help you if you are struggling to pay for essential costs such as food, clothing, electricity and gas, and essential travel. To receive the payment, you must be in severe financial difficulty. This might be because you have lost your job or are waiting for benefits, be in a crisis situation and need immediate financial support, or have no other money available. The individual assistance payments can help you if you are trying to move house or need something to help you stay in your current home. It can pay for things like a washing machine or a fridge freezer, or furniture such as sofas, beds and chairs. To receive an individual assistance payment, you must have no other money available, be in receipt of certain benefits such as universal credit or guaranteed pension credit, and either be leaving a care home or institution to live independently, setting up home after an unsettled way of life, or experiencing a relationship breakdown or domestic violence and needing to move home. You can apply online for the DAF on the Welsh Government website. For more information on the DAF and other sources of help during the pandemic, visit our website.